Hey Dr. Grady, my name is Zach. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, now why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by giving people a 3-step plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm fine with that too. I really just enjoy being able to help out local businesses. So now let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And Google considers anything that can be highlighted on your home page as content. So all this is considered content in their eyes. And they want to see at least 1,500 words on your home page that's dense in keywords that are specific to your location and industry. So I did a quick search for Chiropractor Tulsa, Oklahoma. And aside from the joint, the first local clinic that popped up was Snyder Chiropractic. So we're going to take a look at their site and everything on here. So you see all this content that they already have between these pictures, words, all of this. And I did an analysis through a tool I have called SEO Quake. This is going to be for your website, Graddy Chiropractic. And you have 562 words on your page. Right now, Snyder has 598. So he's leading the pack, and he really doesn't have that many more words, but he's probably targeting some different keywords and ranking higher for those that people are actually searching for in y'all's area, and that's actually what we're going to take a look at now. So this was an analysis through Ahrefs for your website. So you're pulling in 22 people through your website a month, and you only have 50 organic keywords, whereas Snyder Chiropractic has 194 keywords, and they're bringing in 237 traffic a month. And while I know not all 237 of those are going to turn into clients, even if 20% of them did, you're looking at 40 to 50 people that are walking through their door every month as a new client. And the keywords that they're targeting are probably generic keywords. And what I mean by that is a keyword like Chiropractor Tulsa, Oklahoma. So someone searching for this, they don't know who they're going to use as a chiropractor, and they're just looking for somebody. And by ranking number 1, they're going to click on you first, and they're going to come to your website and come through your door if they're looking. And you can see he's ranking high for all of these words right here. I mean, he's in the number 2 position right now with a search volume of 250, 350. I mean, this is just a ton of search volume per month that he's getting a hold of. We're going to take a look at your keywords. So you can see you're really not ranking for any good keywords. Chiropractic Tulsa is the best one you have. You're at a 30 volume right now, and you're in position 19. So this one's really not doing a whole lot for you right now. But that being said, I want to jump into the second thing that I want to talk about today, and that's citations and the Google Map Pack. So here we have the Google Map Pack, and Snyder Chiropractic is number 1 right here. I don't even see the joint in this. So they're beating them out right here. And the way that they're doing this is through citations, which consists of your name, address, and phone number being plugged into a bunch of different indexes such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, YouTube, so on and so forth. They're getting that name, address, phone number out there, and they're also optimizing their Google My Business account. I did a quick search for citations, so you can see they have 66 citations for y'all's area, whereas you only have 24. So that's going to be one reason why you're not in the Google Map Pack either. It's not our chiropractor. They're getting that double exposure whenever someone searches. So they're getting the Google Map Pack exposure and the organic exposure. And Google's actually shown people don't scroll past the first 3 selections that are generated by a search result unless it's an ad. A lot of people scroll past ads and don't even bother clicking on those. But that being said, so you want to have your citations up to about 200 to 300. That's going to beat everybody out of the competition and just kind of keep them from even being able to compete with you for that Google Map Pack spot. And you also want to optimize your Google My Business, which I could show you at a later date. But the next thing I want to talk about are going to be what I call backlinks. And a backlink is essentially where you have one website we'll call website A with a link embedded in that website that you could click on, and it'll take you to another website we'll call website B. And by this happening, website B is gaining more authority in Google's eyes because there's other websites such as website A pushing all that traffic to website B. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. And the better, high quality, most relevant backlinks you go out and find, the better your chances are of getting more of that authority from Google and being put in the #1 spot. So right here we can see I have your clinic here in Snyder Chiropractic. So these are the backlinks. So your trust flow, your citation flow are your backlinks, and your trust flow is your different domains. So y'all's numbers are really low, and you actually want these two numbers to work out to a 1-to-1 ratio. And right now, there's not even a ratio because you don't have a trust flow at all. And even Snyder Chiropractic, this just goes to show how easy it'd be to get in front of them because their 1-to-1 ratio is way off. They have way more citations than they do trust. So they don't have really good, high-quality citations right now. That being said, I just kind of want to tap on the 3 things that we talked about today. #1 were your content and keywords, 1,500 words worth of content that are dense and keywords relevant to your industry and location. #2 were citations in the Google Map Pack. So you want to have 200 to 300 citations to rank #1 in that Google Map Pack and really optimize your Google My Business account. #3 were backlinks. You want to have good, high-quality backlinks pushing traffic to your website to give you that authority that Google recognizes and pushing you to the #1 spot. With that being said, I would like to take the time to just sit down and kind of talk to you about what your goals are for your chiropractic clinic and kind of what direction y'all are trying to move in. Maybe you're trying to expand or you just want new clients right now. I'd be willing to help out with that. But my name is Zach. My phone number is 903-715-7876. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.